In the heart of Tanzania, where the future of a nation rests in the hands of its children, one organization stands as a beacon of hope and progress, and that is the Tanzania Early Childhood Development Network, TECDEN. TECDEN is a national umbrella network that brings together early childhood development stakeholders from across Tanzania to influence policies, programs, and practices that shape the holistic development of the youngest citizens. What was the purpose for establishing TECDEN?
Actually, the purpose of establishing the network was to have the voice for all non-actors on early childhood development, so that more resources can be located for the early childhood development, where we found it was not considered as a priority because at early ages of young children, that's where the foundation is for the human being.
TECDEN's journey began in December 2000. It began as an inter-organizational committee and was formally registered on June 30th, 2004.
TECDEN structure is comprised of the annual general meeting, and we have board of directors, secretariat, and we have regional coordinating units comprised of 26 civil society organizations responsible to coordinate other CSOs at subnational level. And we have 3 categories of member. We have regular members, where we have 56 of them, with responsibility to ensure TECDEN realize its vision and mission. We have also affiliate members who are responsible to ensure ECD interventions are integrated in their plans and objectives. And we have 46 of them. Uniquely, we have 20 strategic members identified by the board of directors and the secretariat based on their potential and the high contribution that they have to the network strategic objectives.
What challenges did the board encounter in ensuring the network's sustainability, and were there any successes?
Yeah, there were some challenges which were identified by then, and one included the governance issue, inactive membership, and limited resources to undertake network operations both at national and subnational level. We have attained several achievements. One of the biggest achievements is reposition the network to play its role relevant to the current needs, where we contributed in the development of the National Multi-Sector ECD program, and we are the co-convener of the National Multi-Sector ECD coordination meetings. We have also managed to elect new leadership in the institution, both the board and the secretariat leadership, but we have also increased the number of competent staff from 3 existed previously to 11 now. And we have increased the resources.
TECDEN is not walking alone. TECDEN has strong collaboration with other imperious key players to ensure no child is left behind, and that every child, regardless of their background, has the opportunity to thrive. How did the collaboration with the stakeholders become a cornerstone in improving the ECD landscape in Tanzania?
The collaborative of Mtoto Kwanza, which brings together TECDEN, Children in Crossfire and the Union of Tanzanian Press Clubs, is really aiming at being able to support the rollout of the National Multi-Sectoral ECD program in Tanzania.
And also we are working with TECDEN on advocacy agenda, particularly on supporting working with the government to push the ECD public financing. So TECDEN has been one of the partners which UNICEF has been working on this agenda on advocacy, and through that we have managed to form, in collaboration with the government, the Parliamentary ECD Champion Group.
ICC and TECDEN successfully contributed in the implementation of NM ECD program through the Mtoto Kwanza project, and we see a big impact to the community. There is an increased awareness on ECD issues among parents and caregivers, and they are taking this a priority for their children care in terms of health, education, and other issues.
The government of Tanzania also appreciates and acknowledges all the steps made by TECDEN, the responsible ministry working collaboratively with TECDEN in implementing the National Multi-Sectoral ECD program. How does this collaboration push the ECD agendas in Tanzania?
The ministry is a chair of the technical working groups from different structures that we have created as a ministry, and the TechDen is a co-chair. So being a co-chair in the structures that we've set in the implementation of the National Multi-Sector ECD program, we definitely closely working with the TechDen to make sure that the program is well coordinated from the central level down to sub-national level.
From these humble beginnings, TechDen grew into a full-fledged network with a strong established secretariat representing civil society organizations committed to advancing early childhood development across the nation. How has the secretariat ensured alignment between TechDen's strategic goals and its operational activities?
In line with our strategic objective, TechDen conducted data-driven advocacy. At national level, TechDen engaged with sector ministries, parliamentarians to ensure ECD is prioritized in national budget and plans. At subnational level, TechDen engaged with regional administrative and the local government authorities to ensure there is prioritization of ECD interventions in local government authority budget and plans. In ensuring this is attained, TechDen strengthened capacity to its members, both financial and the technical, to ensure they engage effectively with private sectors, religious institutions, and the other potential stakeholders at subnational level for better ECD outcomes.
Over the years, TechDen has regularly assessed and where necessary revised its internal financial and operational policies so as to be able to stay in line with the current best practices in financial management. In doing so, we have adapted new technologies in some of the most important functions in the operations of the organization, such as the accounting function and the HR management function. Nevertheless, TechDen has always been keen in ensuring that regular reports are being issued to various stakeholders, such as our donors, our partners, and also statutory governing authorities.
These efforts are not just about today, they are about building a better tomorrow. What future opportunities exist for TechDen in collaboration with vital stakeholders in enhancing early childhood development at scale?
So some of the future opportunity which I see that UNICEF in Tanzania can explore to continue promoting the ECD agenda in the country, including the area of research and data generation, continuing advocacy for ECD public financing. But in this, we can also explore more how other private partners can also contribute to support the implementation of the ECD agenda in the country.
We really work closely with the TechDen to make sure that whatever decision is made in the coordination and implementation of the National Multi-Sector ECD program is well shared, and we agree on some of the key issues before we implement the program.
Over the past 24 years, TechDen has made significant strides in influencing policy reforms and public investment in early childhood development. Where is the position of TechDen in the 10 coming years?
TechDen has got its vision to see a society where all children 0 to 8 years are developmental on track to reach their full potential. So in order to achieve this general vision, in 10 years to come, TechDen envision to bring more service to the community. How is by strengthening the capacity of the member organizations, both technical and financial, to be able to drive the vision. And we expect more funding from our collaborators, from our donors. We are looking forward to have more collaboration from you and from the community and from our members. We thank you so much. We continue banking on your support.
This is the story of the Tanzania Early Childhood Development Network, or TechDen, a beacon of hope, guidance and advocacy for the holistic development of every Tanzanian child.